Quick question. Have you ever said, I wish it doesn't rain tomorrow, and had a native speaker just stare at you?
Because that sentence is actually wrong, and almost every English learner makes this exact mistake.
In the next few minutes, you're going to learn the real difference between two tiny words that completely change the meaning of a sentence.
And by the end, you won't just understand the rule, you'll actually be able to use it correctly in real conversations.
So stick around till the end. We have a fun challenge for you too. Let's start.
Floating topic bubbles.
Grammar, fluency, speaking, listening.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English with Learn. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. So happy you're here with us today.
Liam, let me tell you something that happened to me last week.
Uh-oh. Go on.
I texted my sister and wrote, I wish it doesn't snow this weekend.
That sounds a little off.
Exactly what she said. She replied, Don't you mean hope?
Ah, classic. That confusion happens to almost everyone learning English.
Right, because both words express something we want, but native speakers use them in completely different situations.
And if you pick the wrong one, the sentence can sound strange or even mean something totally different.
So today, we're breaking down hope versus wish once and for all.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly which one to use and when.
Before we dive in, quick favor. If you enjoy episodes like this, please subscribe to Speak English with Learn so you never miss a lesson.
It genuinely helps us keep making these for you. Okay, let's get into it.
Let's start simple. Rule 1. We use hope when something is still possible in the future.
Something that could actually happen.
Exactly. Like tomorrow's weather. If I say, I hope it's sunny tomorrow, that's a perfectly natural sentence.
Because sunshine tomorrow is still possible. Nothing has happened yet.
Right. You're expressing a positive expectation. Let me give a few more. I hope you have a great day.
I hope the flight isn't delayed.
I hope she calls me back.
In every one of those, the event could genuinely still happen.
Exactly. So hope is for real open possibilities. Let me try a few. I hope my team wins the match tonight.
Very natural.
I hope the shop is still open.
Perfect. So basically, whenever the future is still open, we reach for hope.
Exactly. Now the tricky one. What about wish?
This is where learners usually get stuck.
Wish is used for something unreal, impossible, or very unlikely. Something that probably won't happen or already didn't happen.
Give me an example.
Imagine it's Monday morning and you have to go to work. You say, I wish it was Saturday.
Ah, because Saturday isn't coming anytime soon. Time travel doesn't exist.
Exactly. You're expressing something imaginary, something you want but can't change.
More examples, please.
I wish I had more free time. I wish I lived by the mountains. I wish I could speak Italian.
All things we want, but they aren't true right now.
Exactly. Let me try. I wish I owned a private island.
Big wish. Very unlikely.
I wish I knew how to cook properly.
Realistic, but clearly not true today.
Let's compare two sentences directly because this really helps.
I'm ready.
I hope you pass the exam.
Positive, because passing is still possible.
Now this one. I rest the Sam.
Oh, that feels completely different.
Right. It sounds like the exam already happened and you don't back.
So now there's regret involved.
Exactly. Same topic, totally different meaning. Context changes everything. Let's build a phrase pack, sentences you'll hear all the time in doing death.
Starting with hope.
I hope you feel better soon.
I hope everything goes smoothly.
I hope you enjoy the trip.
I hope we cross paths again.
Now switching to wish.
I wish I had more free time.
I wish I could travel more often.
I wish I knew the answer.
I wish it were summer already.
I'm already noticing the pattern.
Let's test our listeners. Question 1. I blank, you have a wonderful weekend. Which word fits?
The answer is hope, because the weekend hasn't happened yet.
Exactly. Question 2. I blank, I had more vacation days.
That's wish, because right now you don't have them.
Correct. One more. I blank, the bus arrives soon.
Hope, because the bus can still arrive.
You're getting the hang of it already.
Quick recap before we continue. When something is still possible, use hope. When something is unreal or impossible, use wish.
In the next part, we'll look at real, natural situations. And yes, Liam will probably slip up at least once.
Hey, that's how learning works.
Now let's put this into real conversations. The kind you'd have with a friend, a co-worker, or family.
Let's start with an everyday one. Imagine your friend has a job interview tomorrow.
You want to encourage them, so you might say, I wish you get the job.
Very common mistake, actually,
Why?
because getting the job is still possible. The interview hasn't happened yet.
So the correct sentence is, I hope you get the job.
Exactly, the future is still open.
Let's try another. It's raining outside and you had a picnic planned.
You might say, I wish it stops raining.
Close, but not quite. English speakers usually say, I hope it stops raining because it might actually stop.
Right, the weather can still change, so it's a real possibility.
Now an imaginary one. Someone says, I hope I were taller.
That one sounds off immediately.
Right, because height isn't something that's going to change for most adults.
So the correct version is, I wish I were taller.
Exactly, because now you're talking about something unreal.
Let's do a rapid round. I'll say a sentence, you correct it if needed.
Go ahead.
I hope I had more money.
Incorrect. That should be, I wish I had more money because our current situation.
I wish you have a great day.
Also incorrect. Native speakers say, I hope you have a great day since the day hasn't happened yet.
It's tricky because both words express a desire, but the situation decides which one fits.
Let's build another phrase pack starting with positive future situations.
I hope you feel better tomorrow.
I hope the trip goes smoothly.
I hope you enjoy the meal.
I hope traffic isn't heavy today.
Now the imaginary or regret category.
I wish I had more energy today.
I wish I lived closer to my family.
I wish I knew the answer.
I wish it were Friday already.
There's actually an important grammar detail here too.
What's that?
After wish, we often use a past tense verb even when we're talking about the present.
That sounds confusing at first.
It is, but here's the simple version. We say, I wish I had more time even though the meaning is about right now.
So the tense looks past, but the meaning is present.
Exactly. Don't overthink it, just remember the pattern. Let's test our listeners again. Question 1. I blank you enjoy the concert tonight.
Hope, because the concert hasn't happened yet.
Question 2. I blank I could play the guitar.
Wish, because right now you can't.
Question 3. I blank the weather is nice tomorrow.
Hope,
Last one. I blank I lived near the ocean.
wish, because it's not your current reality.
This difference is getting clearer with every example.
In the final part, we'll practice longer conversations, review the key rules, and give you a simple daily exercise.
By now, the difference between these two words should feel much clearer.
And the biggest takeaway is they are not interchangeable.
Exactly. Hope is for real possibilities, wish is for things that are unreal or impossible.
Let's do some natural conversation practice. Imagine your friend has an exam tomorrow.
I would say, I hope you pass the exam.
Perfect, because passing is still possible.
Now imagine the exam already happened and your friend failed.
What would you say about your own situation if you were in their place?
I might say, I wish I studied harder.
Exactly, because now it's too late to change it.
One small word and the entire meaning shifts.
Let's try one more. Your friend is traveling today.
I hope you have a safe trip.
Perfect. The trip hasn't happened yet. Now imagine it's a dull Monday morning at work.
You might say, I wish it were the weekend.
Exactly. Monday can't magically become Saturday.
Let's recap the key rules. Rule 1. Use affection for something that can genuinely happen in the future. Like, I hope the interview goes well.
Rule 2. Use wish for something unreal, impossible, or different from reality. Like, I wish I had more free time.
Rule 3. After wish, we often use past tense verbs like, I wish I knew the answer.
One last quiz for our listeners. Question 1. I blank you enjoy the movie tonight.
Hope, the movie hasn't started yet.
Question 2. I blank I could speak French.
Wish, because it's not true right now.
Question 3. I blank the train arrives soon.
Hope, because it might still arrive.
Last one. I blank I lived closer to my friends.
Wish.
Great job if you got all of those right.
And if you didn't, don't worry. Just keep practicing with real sentences. Before we go, here's a quick exercise you can try today.
Think of one thing you want to happen tomorrow and say it using hope. For example, I hope tomorrow is sunny.
Then think of something you want but don't have right now and say it using wish. For example, I wish I had more free time.
Say both sentences out loud. Speaking practice is the fastest way to build confidence.
Now we'd love to hear from you. Write 2 sentences in the comments. One with hope about tomorrow and one with wish about something you'd like to be different.
We'll read some of your answers, so don't be shy.
If this episode helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Speak English with Learn, and share it with someone who needs it too.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing a little every day and your English will keep improving.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.